In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks 20-inch single-stage snowblower. We have featured a 48-volt snowblower, however, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your snowblower may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to secure the discharge chute and the chute control handle. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Lift the snowblower out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Installing the middle handle. To install the middle handle, start by aligning the holes on the middle handle with the holes on the lower handle. Insert the quick release bolt through the lower end of the handle and tighten it using the handle knob. Repeat the same process on the opposite side to secure both connections. Step 4. Installing the upper handle. Next, align the holes in the middle handle with the upper handle so the sections line up cleanly. Slide the carriage bolt through the hole. Then thread the handle knob onto the bolt and tighten until it is secure. Once the first side is secured, repeat the same steps on the other side to lock the upper handle firmly in place. Step 5. Installing the chute. To install the discharge chute, align the grooves on the chute with the slot on the chute housing. Then push the chute down into place until it seats properly. Once aligned, tighten the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver to secure the chute so it stays firmly attached during operation. Step 6. Installing the chute control. To install the chute control, position the chute rotation box on the front of the upper handle and place the locking bracket behind it, so the two pieces sandwich the handle and the switch box together. Once everything is lined up, align the holes in all components and insert the screws through the openings. Tighten the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver until the assembly is secure. When properly installed, the chute control should sit firmly around the handle and operate smoothly. Group the loose cords together and secure them to the handle using the clip. Step 7. Adjusting the discharge chute. The discharge chute can rotate 180 degrees to direct the snow where you want it. Pull the grip handle towards you to rotate the chute to the right, and away from you to rotate it to the left. Step 8. Adjusting the chute deflector. Press and hold the trigger on the deflector. Then raise it to increase your throwing distance or lower it to shorten the distance. Step 9. Installing and removing the batteries. Open the battery door and align the ribs on the battery with the grooves inside the compartment. Slide the battery in until it clicks and locks securely in place. Repeat this with the second battery and then close the battery door to finish. To remove the battery, simply open the battery door, press and hold the release button, and slide the battery out of the compartment. Step 10. Starting and stopping the unit. To start the machine, press and hold the start button. Then pull the bail lever toward the handle while keeping the button held down. Once the unit powers on, you can release the start button, but continue holding the bail lever to keep the machine running. To stop the unit, simply release the bail lever. Step 11. Adjusting the speed. You can adjust the auger speed by pressing the speed adjustment button, which cycles through the 3 available speed settings. Choose the level that best suits your working conditions. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.